What's your favorite snow memory from when you were a kid? I know most of y'all watching this probably grew up, I'm gonna guess, 80s or earlier. I'm gonna guess that because all the cool dudes that watch my channel are absolutely usually in the ballpark of over or 50 or over. But that means that you guys got some real snow stories. This honestly is probably the biggest or the second. Well, it's not the biggest in like amount wise, just consistently snowing. I think 2 years ago we had a storm that was over a foot, nearly 18 inches here in Virginia. And man, we didn't have power for 5 days. It's pretty bad.